And in the first sheet, the first task is use figures to match each figure. Circle the two figures that are alike. So here the task actually already fulfilled for you to show you how to make it. So here we have two figures that are alike. This is the the yellow square, and this is the red square. It is turned a little bit on one angle, not on the side, but still it's square. Okay, so these are two squares. So, and draw a figure, this figure in the workspace. So which figure we need to draw? We need to draw a square, because the figures that are alike, square. So we need to draw the square here. Okay, and now we need to say what we know about that figure, about square. So first, let's see how many sides does the square have. The square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Every square has 4 sides, but rectangle also has 4 sides. Then what's the difference? If we will look to rectangle, here I will make the rectangle. Look, rectangle also has 4 sides, but 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. But in the square, all sides are the same. The 4 sides are the same size, the same length in the square. And what else we can say about the square? How many corners, how many angles does the square have? It has 4 corners. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So every square has 4 equal sides and 4 angles. Okay, so if we look now at the second task, it's the same. Use figures to match each figure. So circle the two figures that are alike. So which two figures are alike here? These are triangles. Okay, so we will circle triangles. This triangle is upside down, but still it is triangle. And draw that figure in the workspace. So which figure we will draw here in the workspace? Yes, we will draw triangle. Now let's see what we can say about triangle. About this figure, what do we know about triangle? We can say that it has how many sides? It has 1, 2, 3. Just 3 sides. Let's see how many corners does it have. And the sides can be quite different size. So one size can be longer, one size can be shorter. It doesn't matter. Just triangle has 3 sides. And triangle has 3 corners, 3 angles. Corner, we also can say angle. This is a corner. So this is a corner or angle. So triangle, this is 3 angles, 3 corners. This is what we can say about triangle. Okay, so after this, let's move to the next sheet. We have the task, the first task. We have here several different tasks. So the first task is mark an X on the object that is different. So let's see the houses. These houses, are they alike or different? If they're different, tell me what is the difference, in what they are different. So let's look at this house. It has door, it has windows. How many windows? Two windows. Here no windows. Okay, let's look to the second house. Door and two windows, but it has here two more windows. So it's different with the first one. So then let's see third house. It has door, two windows, and here no windows. Okay, so we have two houses that are alike and one that is different, and we need to cross out the one that is different. So I cross out, put an X for the different house. Okay, so exercise 2. Look at the group of figures at the beginning of the row and circle the figure that belongs in the group. So look at the group of figures at the beginning of the row. It means this one. So we look at this group and circle the figure that belongs in the group. So which figure we can find here that was here in this group? Which figure here, similar, alike to one figure from, would fit to this group? If we see this group, if we analyze this group, all figures are the same color, yellow color. So which figure would fit this group by color? We have just one yellow figure and we circle it. So because this figure can be in this group, it refers to this group, the yellow color. They are all yellow color. Okay, then number 3, this line, number 3. Mark an X on the object that does not belong. It means that an object that is different, that is out of this group, shouldn't be in all this group. So how do you think? Which object, and the most important, why it is not in the group? So you see that this pack of juice is much bigger than the others. So this group of juice, they are all small packs of juice, and this is the big one. So here we cross it out by size. It's not the proper size. And number 4, the last line, look at the figure at the beginning of the row. So this is the beginning of the row. This. Mark an X on the group in which the figure belongs. So this figure, red rectangle, long red rectangle, in which group of figures you can find this rectangle? To which group this figure belongs? You see that in this figure you can find this red rectangle. So we cross out this group because this rectangle belongs to this group. Okay, good. So, and I clear all this to move to another page. So in our next page, page 15, sheet number 3, and the first exercise, the first task, circle all the red figures. And here it is nearly done for you to show you how to do it. So now we are sorting by color. We need to find all the red figures. So do it, and I will do it here. I will take another color. So I can circle this red rectangle and red circle and red triangle, and here red square. So I choose all the red figures, like you were sorting your toys or socks or t-shirts, and you took some color of socks or some size of socks or t-shirts or toys. So this is the same. So I just choose from all this group, I choose all red figures that I have. So I can put them in another group. If I would have these pieces, I would put them in another group. Okay, so number 2, circle all the triangles. So if here we were choosing by color from all these shapes, from all these figures, in the second exercise, we need to choose by shape. Circle all the triangles. They can be different color, they can be different size, but they are triangles. So we need to choose only triangles. So I want to change the color, and you do this in your sheets. So, and I will circle all the triangles. Okay, is there any more? Yes, blue triangle. Okay, so I have 4 triangles. I chose all the triangles. And number 3, mark an X on the figure that is circled in both groups and draw and color the figure. So let's see into these groups, number 1 and number 2. Is there one figure that we meet in both groups? Let's see. For example, red rectangle. Did we circle it here? No. Red circle. Did we circle it here? No. Red triangle. Did we circle it here? Yes. We circled it twice. So this figure is in both groups. Let's check other. Did we circle red square? No. Did we circle here green triangle? No. Did we circle in the first group blue triangle? No. So the only figure that we marked in both groups is red triangle. So we need to cross it out. Just I will change the color. So we make an X to mark it. Make an X to mark it. And we need to draw and color this figure in this working space. So I will make this triangle. It's long in one side. It's not quite similar, that is there. But still, and I can color it. So that's it. That's our triangle. Oh, I made it not wrong. I made it not correct. I made it wrong. Why? Can you tell me? Why I made it wrong? Because I need to make the same color as I have here. And here, red color, red triangle, and here, red triangle. So I need to color this triangle red color. I can't make it orange, just I took orange color to mark it. So I will make it red triangle. You see? Okay, so this is my triangle with mouse. Okay, so now make all this in your sheets. And that's it for math for today.